Hi, I'm Allison, a product manager at Cuyari, and I will be showing you how the SVA report works. Remember, there are tooltips throughout the dashboard to guide you if you ever need a refresher on how to work the SVA report. On our demo, loading time has been removed. On the website, it takes a few seconds for a page to load. Keep that in mind. Remember, on Cuyari, your products are written by their Cuyari-generated short name. To change the short name, go to the product details page where you can edit information on your product. You can hover over any product's number to see the ASIN for this product. As you can see, there is more information on this tooltip, which we will discuss later. For most of this video, we have disabled tooltips, but in general, there are tooltips over every number in this chart and also on the tooltip icon. On the SVA report, your products are listed by orders over the past 7 weeks, with week 1 being the most recent week. The product green gloves, for example, had 9 orders in week 1, 11 orders in week 2, 17 orders in week 3, and so on. Orders refers to a customer placing an order on that product, not how many units were sold. So, in the product orange hat, there were 2 orders. Those orders may have contained multiple units or just one. In the left column, the products are sorted into categories and trends, so you can quickly understand how your product is performing. For more instructional videos on different elements of the SVA report, click on the video icons throughout the report.